Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to AppInsight AI. I'm super excited today because we're diving into an incredibly fun and innovative tool, FaceSwapper AI. If you've ever wanted to swap faces with someone like, say, WWE superstar John Cena or even the heartthrob from Titanic, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to do just that in 2 easy-to-follow tutorials. So grab your favorite snacks, sit back, and let's get started. Before we jump into the fun, just a quick note. This video is for educational purposes. We're here to explore how FaceSwapper AI works, but I want to stress the importance of using it responsibly. So, let's keep it ethical and creative, alright? And speaking of responsibility, here's a quick disclaimer. Always make sure to have permission if you're swapping faces with real people. The goal is to have fun, but we must respect privacy and the wishes of others. With that out of the way, let's get into the exciting stuff. Now, you might be wondering where you can use FaceSwapper AI. The answer? Anywhere. You can use it to create hilarious memes to share with friends on social media, add a fun twist to your family photos, enhance your marketing materials with eye-catching visuals, create custom content for your YouTube videos or TikTok. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're a casual user or a content creator, this tool is perfect for adding that extra flair to your visuals. Alright, let's talk benefits. Why should you choose FaceSwapper AI? Number 1. User-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech whiz to navigate this platform. Number 2. Fast processing. It's super quick. Face swaps happen in just a few seconds. Number 3. High-quality results. The AI ensures that your swaps look realistic and seamless. Number 4. Versatility. Whether you're using it for fun or professional projects, it fits your needs perfectly. Number 5. Cost-effective. You can start for free. Plus, stick around for a special 20% discount code for premium features that I'll share later. Okay, let's get into the meat of the video. I'm going to guide you through 2 amazing tutorials. The first will be how to do a face swap online free, where I'll swap my face with WWE superstar John Cena. Then, we'll dive into a video swap online, where I'll replace the hero from my favorite movie, Titanic. Ready? Let's go! Alright, here we go with the first tutorial. Face swap online free. Step 1. Sign up and log in. First, head over to FaceSwapper AI. If you haven't signed up yet, click the sign up button. It's super simple, just enter your email and set a password. If you're already a user, go ahead and log in. Step 2. Upload your face image. Now that we're logged in, let's upload the image of my face. I've chosen a fun selfie for this demo. Click on the Upload Image button and select your image from your device. Easy peasy. Step 3. Upload target image. Next up, we need to upload the target image. I'm going to swap my face with none other than John Cena. So, I'll click Add Target Image and upload a clear picture of John Cena. You want to make sure both images are high quality for the best results. Step 4. Select the face to swap. Once both images are uploaded, the AI will automatically detect the faces in each picture. You'll see an option to select the face you want to swap. I'm choosing my face, of course. Step 5. Adjust and fine-tune. Now, here's where the fun really begins. The AI will align the faces, but you can manually adjust the position, size, and blending options to ensure everything looks just right. Just take your time to play around with it. Step 6. Preview the swap. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, hit the preview button. And here we go. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, look at that. I'm officially John Cena. Looks pretty convincing, right? Step 7. Export your image. Now, let's export this masterpiece. Click on Download and select your preferred format. The image will be saved to your device, ready to share or keep for yourself. Don't forget to check out the free credits FaceSwapper offers for new users. Now, on to the second tutorial, Video Swap Online. This is where we're going to add my face to the iconic Titanic movie scene. Let's dive in. Step 1. Upload your face image. Just like before, we'll start by uploading a face image. I'll select the same selfie I used for the image swap. Click Upload Image and select your image. Step 2. Add target video. Next, click on Add Target Video. You can upload any video clip you have. I'm going to use a clip from Titanic where Leonardo DiCaprio is standing at the bow of the ship. Let's see how I look there. Step 3. Adjust and fine-tune. Once the video is uploaded, the AI will detect faces. Just like before, you'll have the option to align my face with Leo's. You can adjust the size and position to make sure it fits perfectly. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Preview the video swap. Ready to see how it looks? Click on Preview. Whoa, there I am on the Titanic. This is incredible. It's so much fun seeing myself in a legendary movie scene. Step 5. Export your video. To save your new masterpiece, click Export Video. Choose your preferred format, and just like that, it's on your device, ready to impress your friends. Now, let's talk about how you can use FaceSwapper AI for free. When you sign up, you receive free credits that allow you to create a limited number of face swaps at no cost. So go ahead and experiment without any pressure. If you're enjoying this video and want to unlock even more features, make sure to check out our affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel while you enjoy the amazing benefits of FaceSwapper AI. And don't forget, if you're ready to go premium, use the discount code TXNTRNFA for a fantastic 20% off. It's a great way to enhance your experience without breaking the bank. Wow, what an adventure! We've just swapped faces with John Cena and starred in a Titanic scene. Remember, if you want to explore more features or if you enjoy today's content, hit that affiliate link in the description and don't forget the coupon code TXNTRNFA for 20% off. Lastly, I just want to remind you all to use this app for good. Have fun, be creative, and most importantly, respect the boundaries of others. Let's make this world a better place with our creativity and imagination. Thanks for joining me on this fun journey today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AppInsight AI, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future adventures. I can't wait to hear about the face swaps you create. Drop your stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and have fun with AI. See you later!